This is a really beautiful stitch. As you continue to work in the rows, you can see that it has this zigzag kind of thing with a really nice texture, and it is perfect for the cold season as it has lesser gaps, you see. And the same stitch is used for the border here. Okay. Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can crochet this beautiful stitch. Okay, and you can use this stitch on your projects, and it is a simple stitch to crochet. Okay, so to start, count your foundation by 3 plus 1. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial I'm using a 5.5 mm hook and a DK or number 4 medium weight yarn. For this one here I use a 4 mm hook and a light DK yarn here. Okay, so let's start. I will start by making 13 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 chains is for the foundation of this stitch, and then I will add one more chain here which makes it 14, and this 14th chain is my turning chain. So skip this one into the 13th chain here. You make a single crochet and yarn over in this very same stitch here, make 2 double crochets. That's 1 and 2. So you skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. On the third one, make your single crochet, and in the same space again we will work 2 double crochet. Like that. You skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. On the third one again single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. You skip 1, 2. On the third one single crochet and 2 double crochet. You skip 1, 2, and on this third one again you make your last single crochet. This is our first round. So for the second round you chain 1. From the second round and until you get to the length that you want your project to be, this is the stitch that we are going to repeat. So chain 1, turn your work, and in this very first stitch here, this space of a single crochet, make a single crochet and 2 double crochet in that same space. And then we skip this 1, 2, and on the single crochet stitch again, on the third, which is the third stitch, single crochet and 2 double crochets. When you look at this, you will have this kind of a valley over here, hills and valley, and we are going to work in the valleys here. Okay, in this space. So here, and then we skip this hills again into the valley here, which is the single crochet, make a single crochet and 2 double crochet, and we are creating a hill again. And you skip the hill again into the valley, which is the single crochet again, and we do that. So 2 double crochet and make your last single crochet here. Okay, and you chain one. Your chain one is not your stitch, and again you turn, make, we in the valley we are creating hills again. So in the single crochet and 2 double crochet, so you skip the hill again into the valley, make a single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same space, skip 2 on the single crochet and 2 double crochet. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss the new video. Okay, and 1 2, and if you find my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And again we skip 1 2 on this last space here, make a single crochet, and by the end of this round you can see it is taking shape, see, and chain 1 again, you turn and repeat the same. We are creating valleys, remember. So continue that, and after a few more rounds I will show you how to end to make it straight and how to make this border for it. Okay, so here I made a few more rounds and this is what it looked like. Okay, so to make it straight, don't chain 1. Okay, turn your work when you get to the length that you want your work to be. Okay, so here you make a chain 1 in the very chain 1 there, and pull this loop a little into the single crochet again. You make a single crochet on top of this, and this will do as a first double crochet. Okay, and in the same space again make 1 more double crochet. So basically 2 double crochet in one space. You skip this one. Okay, in the final round here of this pattern you skip 1 stitch into the next, make a single crochet, and where you have this single crochet here, make 2 double crochets, 1 2, and then you skip 1, make 1 single crochet, and in the single crochet again make 2 double crochet, skip 1 and single crochet, and then you make 2 double crochet in here, you single crochet, and on the last space here make 2 single crochets again, 1 and 2. So it should look like that. Okay, and when we finish again we should count. If we need to have the same number as the foundation chain, here I have 13, so let me count if I have more or less. So 2 4 6 8 10 12. I have one more, so rip this one off and that will be 13. Okay, be sure to count your foundation chain when you start your work. Okay, because we need to have the same number of stitch when we finish this. And again Here I made a shawl with this stitch. It works really fast and it's good, works really good. And if you can see this, I made this, and this is the half double crochet rounds. Okay, so when you finish like this, chain 2, and this chain 2 is not my stitch, so again in the same stitch half double crochet and half double crochet in every stitch around. Okay, and like that, if you like to have more rounds of half double crochets, then you can do that too. Okay, so I'm just showing you here. And then to start with this side, I chain 1 again, and in this single crochet, I mean the half double crochet here, I make a single crochet and I will make 2 double crochet, just like we work the entire part of the project. And you skip all of this, and into this space here, the base of our shell here, single crochet and 2 double crochet again. You skip this, and into the base of the next shell again, single crochet, and like that. And this is what I did for the entire length of this shawl here. Okay, so just like that, I will see you here. So this is what it looks like when you finish this side. And again, so for this part, okay, for this part here, you make exactly the same number of half double crochets you have from this side in this side as well. And when you finish that, you cut and secure your yarn, and you repeat this around this side here. So you will have your first shell right here, and then on your next shell you'll have it on the base of the shell again, and you will have your shell in every base here, and your last shell should be here and end with a single crochet here. Okay, so like that. And this is what I did with the stitch. So share your thoughts on how you think of this stitch on the comment section below. Okay, I hope you find my video helpful